get stuck in these trucks. Okay, not overtake them. It's just one way. Now it's raining in this side. Raining. Sana, yes, para mahugasan yung putik. Miss rain. Dito naman, after that rain, here's sunny. Iba-iba talagang weather, oh. Isang highway lang.